Jesus.
Andre.
I'm fine now. I know the fine sister. Get what you want to ask yourself. What make you go get myself Jesus? Waiting.
Now Jesus cause am. Now that man I cause am. You know say everybody knows say Jesus is a prophet. And your prophecy na original one. If I not allow him prophecy to come pass for my head now, people go think I dey stubborn. Oh, they go talk say Jesus na fake prophet. Now be the problem oh.
I make you come go say Jesus with that.
My brother, I make you say Jesus. I no go lie for you. That man, now he no put your problem now. If you say no talk say na me now. Say na the person put hand for your food with them. And now only me na put her with the food for her now. So people they look say go sell her. Now if I no go sell her, they go think I stubborn.
Make I ask you. How much now you come sell am?
My brother. Even Jesus self, you no even cost. You no cost. Na small money. See am. Small money.
What?
Na 3 cities now say
Jesus.
I say Jesus.
a whole Jesus.
Okay, make I ask you. What you want to use this money we sell and do now?
My brother, I no go lie, I go use the whole body. You know say this lockdown now too much. Even Jesus myself as you know cost so now go just manage this one now use and they buy small something they chop.
My brother, as it don't happen now, you say it don't happen now.
You know, I don't say that now. You know, they don't be.
Make you find me small and make me carry your body with you now.
Shebi, you know that place where you come. I dey go now.
Oh my God.